Today my Penna typewriter keyboard came into the mail, so I'm going to be unboxing this. It came from Korea, and I'm super excited. It got here really quick, actually. I think we ordered it not even like 5 days ago, and delivery was expected for a week. And I got the brown cherry switch because you're allowed to choose what kind of mechanical keys you want, and I chose the brown one because I think the brown one sounds the best. So let's go ahead and give that a try. So I'll read that later. What? I ordered the pink one. So I just realized after rewatching that little clip that I just stared at that keyboard for so long, hoping that it would turn pink, because I was just in so much shock that it wasn't. So I went ahead and emailed the company, and Zach tried calling their English number, but it got sent to voicemail because I think it's already past their working hours because it's on the East Coast. So hopefully I'll get a response to them really soon, and we'll go from there. I know that I can exchange it because I fit under the 6-month warranty time period, so we'll see how that goes. And for the meantime, I'm just packing orders today. I just finished a local order to my sister-in-law. Thanks for supporting me. And Zach is doing payroll right now, so yeah, we're doing that before we make a trip to Michael's, because I actually ordered a bunch of clay for my craft projects, and a bunch of them came super hard. Actually, 5 of them did. Let me show you. So these are the faulty ones that I received in the mail. Do you hear how rock hard it is? Like, I looked online and you can soften these with like olive oil or like baby oil and stuff, but I really don't want to ruin the consistency of these and how it'll bake and everything. So I'm just gonna hopefully return them. I don't think this one is eligible for a return, but I don't know, we'll try and see.
Got the grill, table, little hangout area.
It's been a long day so far. So after we went to Michael's, oh, by the way, so I was able to return the hard polymer clay, and it took forever because they had to scan each one, and then I had to insert my debit card and enter my PIN, and then they had to print the receipt, and then that went on about like 6 times. And then I was able to exchange it though for some new items. So I got these fall or summer flowers for my flat lays for the decor. And then these ones. And I was able to also snag this jewelry gold polymer clay. So I'm happy to have that at least in stock instead of having to order it online. I don't know if I trust buying clay online just because I don't want that to happen again when it came like super hard and dry. I think it's because of the weather here in Las Vegas. It's sitting out in the sun all day, especially when you're transporting through like USPS trucks and stuff like that, but maybe one day I'll get lucky. And then also I received my macrame cords in the mail today. I'm super excited to start making my keychains out of these. It's my first time experimenting with macrame cord or rope, I guess. I've done other types of string, but not macrame. So I'm gonna experiment with that on Wednesday when my swivel keychains arrive from Amazon.
So me and Nika took a love language test, and it breaks down these genres of love language, which were acts of service, receiving gifts, physical touch, words of affirmation, and quality time. So the highest that we both scored was acts of service. Nika got 27% and I got 40%. So I guess my favorite love language is acts of service. So it's like, oh, if I came home from work and Nika made me dinner, that's like very an easy way to show me that she loves me. So that was my highest score, which was also her highest score, but she scored pretty even throughout the other ones. So the second one was receiving gifts. Nika got 7% and I got 13%, which I think Nika's should have scored way higher because she loves receiving gifts, but I guess she doesn't like receiving them. She likes receiving them, but I guess it doesn't show her love. She just likes to have gifts. I scored higher, so I enjoy a little something. So the third one was physical touch. Nika got 20%, I got 17%. So they're both pretty even. I mean, I don't really, this is definitely like an important one, but you know, like for me at least, if Nika like made me dinner or like, something like that, I would feel more loved by her than her just giving me a hug and a kiss, which I like both of those as well, but acts of service definitely scores higher on that aspect, for me at least. The fourth one is words of affirmation, so just telling them they're, that you love them and they're doing great. Nika got 23%, I got 10%. It looks like I don't need that very much. And the fifth and final one is quality time. Nika got 23% and I got 20%. Which I feel like both of those should probably have been higher for both of us, because we kind of like, if we're away from each other too long, we kind of get anxiety or whatever. But we both scored pretty even on that one. So, yeah, I don't know. It's a cool test to take if you guys are like, wondering what your significant other what their love language is. It's 5lovelanguages.com. That sounds like they're paying us to like show their website, but they're totally not. It's just a cool little test if you're like want to take it. If your significant other, maybe you just met them, you don't know them that well, you could just go on this website, have them answer some questions, and then maybe Steve or whatever his name is, he scores an 80% in quality time, and you just met him on Tinder, so you're like, all right, hey Steve, let's go to a drive-in movie theater since the movie theaters are closed because of coronavirus. Or hey, let's order Uber Eats at your house because we can't go anywhere because of this stupid virus. Or physical touch, You'll get to know about Steve a lot better. You might not know a lot about Steve, but if you go to 5lovelanguages.com, you'll know Steve like the back of your hand. I'm telling you guys, this website, it's unbelievable. Again, they aren't paying us for it. Maybe they are. You should check it out. 5lovelanguages.com. Get to know Steve better.